This video demonstrates how to create a customized dataset using an existing data source, including how to use the custom SQL option in Analytics Builder. Use Analytics Builder to create and share dashboards of your data analyses. On the Analytics Builder homepage, click Datasets. Click the dataset you want to use. Click the Use in Analysis drop-down menu and select Use in Dataset. The data preparation page opens. Change the name of the dataset to differentiate between the parent dataset and your customized child dataset. Click Save and Publish to save changes and publish the new dataset. Click Publish and Visualize to publish the new dataset and open the analysis. To create a customized dataset using the SQL option, click Datasets on the Analytics Builder homepage. Click New Dataset, select the Brightspace database you want to use, and click Create Dataset. Click Use Custom SQL. Click Edit Preview Data to navigate to the custom SQL interface. Enter your SQL query and click Apply to preview the dataset. Click Save and Publish to save changes and publish the new dataset. Click Publish and Visualize to publish the new dataset and open the analysis.